Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Today the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 16th, 2022. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. And last one is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yes, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one is a Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 5490. 5490. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot say that always with each puzzle. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of hidden numbers, a lot of pairs. Then you will need more time for solving that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 3 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 2 eights, 3 nines. So it's divided. So let me see. No, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nines. Can I start with a 9? Let me see. No. I cannot start with the 9. How about the 8 in this row? The 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 5. We have a 1, the 6, and the 5 in this big square, so no 1, 6, and the 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1, the 6, and the 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 1, 6, and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this last row. For the numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 9. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this last column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be here. Alright. 1 1. Let me see. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there, we see a 2 in the third column. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between second column, the only place left for the 5, it should be here. 5, 5, okay. Then 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7. Four missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and a 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this row. So no 6 and a 9 in these two boxes. The 6 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. Yeah. Then, let me see, 3, 3 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the third column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this third column for number 1. 1. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 6, 7, 7. We have a pair. We have a 1 in this row. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in that row, so no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. Still 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in this column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7... so 2 boxes left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. So together with the 1, we have a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Okay, so in the middle row, 1 box left. In the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. Alright. 5, 4 is also missing. 4 and 7, 7. 8. Wait. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1. 5. 7. Okay, here should be 7. Here. 289. Okay. I'm thinking the difficult part now. The difficult part. We have a 9 in this column. The 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. You see a 9 this last row. No 9 there. Here 9 the row above. No 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 4. 2. And the 7 is missing. 7. Thinking. Come on. 6. 8 is also no. 8. 6. 3 missing numbers. In the last column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 267, 267, 267, and look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these two box. Sorry, 7 in the second row, so no 7 in that box. We have a 7 in the third row, so no 7 in this box. So the only place left for the 7 in the last column should be here. So two numbers left, the 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. It's a pair, 2 and a 6. Here also two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. So two numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square here. We have 1, 6, 5. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6. And the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. 7 and 3. Okay. 4, 7, and 5. 4, 7, and 5. 4, 7, and 5. 5, 5. 7. Yeah. 2 and 6. How about 8, 8. 6. 5, 5. Still thinking. 5, 5. 4. 4. Hey, where's the opening? Come on. 1. 165. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. It should be here. Yeah, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1, 6, 5. Okay. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 7 and 9 in this row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. The 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8. 2, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. Wait. Again. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing. Oh, sorry. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, with 8 and a 9 in the third row. So no 8 and 9 in this box. The 8 and 9 goes in those two boxes as pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For the number 2. Now we have a 2 there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. Then 3, 6, and 3, 6, and 8, missing the 8. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 1 and the 4. We have pair. The 1 and the 4 in this row. The 1 and the 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. As pair 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Then 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers. 1, 6, and a 5. And look. We have a 1 and a 5 already in this column. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 6. 1 digit left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 7 and 3. We already have a 3 in the middle column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 here in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and the final 2, no, not final 2 numbers. 3 and a 6, we already have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again. In a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.